Hey everyone, if you are new to investing or just looking to make the most of the Acorns app, you are in the right place. In this guide, I will show you how to correctly use the Acorns investment app to grow your wealth without the stress. So let's get into it. Before you can start investing, you need to set up your Acorns account. Download the Acorn app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account and link your bank account for funding. Choose your investment goal, whether it's long-term growth, retirement, or just saving for a rainy day. Account will suggest a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance. Make sure to review the carefully. One of the best features of account is the roundups option. Link your debit card or credit card to automatically invest a spare change from everyday purchases. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.5, accounts round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 for you. You can also boost up round up by 2x, 3x or even 10x if you want to grow your portfolio faster. To really see your investment grow, set up the recurring deposit. Choose a weekly, bi-weekly or monthly contribution that fits your budget. Even a small amount like $5 a week can add up significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. Don't forget to take advantage of the accounts earn feature. Earn cashback by shopping with Acorns partner brands. Simply shop through the Acorns app or use your linked card to automatically earn investments. Finally, keep an eye on your investments. Use the app's performance tracking tools to monitor your growth. If you need to withdraw, just tap the withdraw button and funds typically arrive in few business days. Alright, that's it for quick guide on using the Acorn app correctly. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips.